Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. This is the daily chart on Nasdaq, and this closing daily candle suggests that we are going to continue our way to the upside, and 50-day EMA, 20-day EMA cross 50-day EMA, that's a bad sign on the daily chart. And so we might go there and be rejected again and have a pullback down. So my question was, we've got a lower low and we've got a lower high, but right now we have a higher low. So let's see if it stays so. If it continues to go up and develop a higher high, then we have a trend reversal. Of course, we've been going sideways for quite a while. At the same time, what I see right now here on this daily chart, that we might have a possible W pattern. Let me see, maybe on the 4-hour chart it can be seen better. So let's go over to the 4-hour chart for a minute. And yeah, this is what I'm talking about, this W pattern. This could be a W pattern. I also saw we've developed a diamond pattern here. Even though I was expecting Nasdaq to go down further, this diamond pattern suggested that we will break to the upside, and we started to break to the upside, so I was right. And I've got two price targets right now. Let me share with you. So here we go. Out of this diamond pattern, I can measure the short term. In fact, yesterday I measured for myself the short-term price target. So this is around here, 50-day EMA, around the 50-day EMA, 15,770. And of course, once we break above the 20-day EMA, 50-day EMA is the target. So this is my target right now. I do think we are going to get there. This diamond pattern suggests that. At the same time, we also have this W pattern, which could become a W pattern once we break above 16,000, and we can stay above 16,000. Then, for me, this will be a valid pattern, and I will have a price target then. And in fact, we are going to all-time high levels. So my price target is 16,800, 16,830. So my price target is going to be 16,800 out of this pattern. So it is very possible we are turning bullish. Let me have a quick look at the weekly chart as well, to see if we have any confirmation or something. Yeah, so we've got this trend line here to the upside, and here let me just connect the bottoms. Here we go. So here are the bottoms and those are the tops, and now we bounced back up above this trend line. So we came down to the bottom of this trend line and then bounced back up. So it is very possible we come back to the top of this trend line, and my price target is actually right there. So I think I have a weekly confirmation for that. Yeah, so right now my prediction is that we are going to 16,800. So that's Nasdaq. Let's go over to Sp500. And of course, all the indices will go to the upside if I'm right and my analysis is good. Here, oops, here the weekly chart says that we touched the 20 EMA, bounce back up, and we are also probably going to the top of this range. So 2 new all-time highs. That's what I see here. Let's go over to Dow Jones. There's the weekly chart on Dow Jones. Same situation here. We came down almost to the 20 EMA on the weekly chart, bounce back. We may continue our way to the top. In fact, to new all-time highs. My price target above 36,000. No, actually above 35,430. My price target is 38,000. So I'm very bullish on Dow Jones. Sooner or later we will probably get there. So it's buying the dips that works right now above this price level that I shared. Let's go over to Germany. And that's the weekly chart on the German index. Of course, this previous weekly candle did not look good at all. But now, yeah, of course, we continued our way to the downside. We didn't even touch the 20 EMA, but we came to this area of support. Oops. I just removed this. I don't know where it was. Anyway, I may redo it in the future. But, so we came to touch this support area, which is a neckline in this W pattern for me, and my price target is way above here, so it is still a valid price target. So it's, even though we have a double top here, that's something that seems to be double top, I think we will continue our way to the upside and to new all-time highs. So let's go over to Japan. Nikkei, the Japanese index. Here we go between these two ranges. We came down and bounced back up, and let me go over to the daily chart on the Japanese index. We've got a possible W pattern. Let me measure it. Oops. So I want to have a price target for me. Once we break above this, above the 50-day EMA, 28,780, and have a daily close above there, and then probably this is a valid price target. I think we are going to break above this area and we are going back to this range. My price target is then 29,675. Okay, now let's go over to where? Russel. Russel is next. Russel. That's the daily chart on Russel. Now let's see what's happening here. Yeah, we have a wick to this area again, but this is a strong support, as I already shared with you. We have a nice looking candle suggesting that we are going to at least back to 2200 level to touch the 20 EMA, day EMA. Once we break above there, then 50-day EMA is my next price target. Once we break above there, then 2,300 is my price target. Once we break above there, Then of course I'm watching these levels. These are my price targets, and then previous top. Once we break 2364, then hopefully we will not have a false breakout again, but a real breakout with a nice huge big price target. That's all for now. See you next time.